Tallahassee may be Florida's capital, but its food scene feels far more local than you might expect. Stay until the end because our final restaurant is built around seasonally inspired southern cuisine and has become one of city's favorite choices for a special night out. Tallahassee, Florida combines southern comfort food with creative farm-to-table cooking, international flavors, and some of surprisingly sophisticated restaurants. From affordable local favorites to upscale dining, these 5 restaurants are well worth adding to your itinerary. So let's begin. First is Kool Beanz Cafe. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. We'll start with one of Tallahassee's most popular local restaurants. Kool Beanz Cafe is famous for creative American cooking, changing seasonal dishes, and relaxed atmosphere that feels distinctly local. The menu changes frequently, so returning diners can discover something completely different from their previous visit. Customer favorites include crab cakes, rainbow trout, and fried green tomatoes. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A local tip I'll give you: check the menu before visiting because daily and seasonal dishes can change. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Backwoods Crossing. Backwoods Crossing is one of Tallahassee's standout farm-to-table restaurants, combining southern cooking with ingredients grown or sourced around the region. The restaurant even has its own farm, making the connection between the kitchen and local agriculture especially strong. It's a great choice when you want something distinctly connected to the Tallahassee's area. One interesting fact is that the restaurant's 3.5-acre farm helps supply its kitchen with fresh produce, while its chicken coop produces thousands of eggs each year. House specialties include soft shell crab, duck, and seasonal garden creations. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A visitor tip I'll give you: ask about the current garden creations menu because it changes with what's growing locally. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Table 23. Located on Thomasville Road, Table 23 offers contemporary southern cooking in a stylish setting. The menu combines familiar southern ingredients with more modern presentations, making it a great middle ground between casual dining and a special occasion restaurant. It's particularly popular for dinner and weekend brunch. Popular dishes include shrimp and grits, bao red fish, and pimento cheese. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. And cider tip I'll give you: Sunday brunch is a great option if you want to experience the restaurant at a more relaxed pace. So let's move on to our next restaurant. It is Huntsman. For something more upscale, the Huntsman delivers modern American dining with an elegant atmosphere and carefully prepared dishes. It's become a favorite for celebrations, date nights, and visitors looking for a more refined Tallahassee experience. The menu focuses on quality ingredients and polished presentation without feeling overly formed. One interesting fact is that the Huntsman was created by restaurant professionals with an experience at some Tallahassee's established fine dining destinations, bringing that experience into a newer restaurant concept. Chef's favorites include prime steak, roasted chicken, and seasonal seafood. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A travel tip I'll give you: this is one of restaurants where making a reservation is a good idea, especially on Friday and Saturday nights. So let's move on to our next and final destination. It is Savour. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. It's a great place to finish a Tallahassee food tour when you are ready for something more sophisticated. An interesting fact is that this restaurant has received multiple Open Table Diners Choices Award over the years, reflecting the long-standing popularity among diners looking for an upscale experience in Tallahassee. Signature favorites include filet mignon, shrimp and grits, and key lime pie. If I'm pronouncing these wrong, please forgive me. The average price per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A quick tip I'll give you: visit during happy hour if you want to experience the restaurant at a lower cost before dinner. So these were the 5 of the best restaurants in Tallahassee, Florida that you must visit. From creative local cooking to farm-to-table southern flavors to elegant modern dining, Tallahassee offers much more than you might accept from Florida's capital. Which restaurant would you visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.